Hey, it's Sam Manor from Little's Child Restraints. We're down at Brookvale at Baby Safe. I'm here with my mate Robbie, and we've got a bus, a 2025 Toyota Coaster 22-seater, just come off the rank here. So the bus itself has 6 factory fitted anchorage points. So if you needed more points, well, we finally got a bracket made up to accommodate for it. So what I want to do is I'm going to show you inside the bus of what we've done to make this so much easier if you want to add more child restraints to your bus. So let me go and show you inside. Okay, now we're inside the bus. I mean, have a look at what we've got inside here. Okay, so you got the 2 double seats on the one side all the way through. And as I wanted to show you on the window side, which is the outboard position, there are anchor points on the base of the seats there. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 anchor points on the window side. So if you're needing more anchor points, that means we're going to go in the aisle side and the single seats. Well, that we can help you with. Robbie down at Baby Safe and myself, we are doing these buses, so it is all doable. So if you want to bring the camera around here, and I'll show you what we've done at the back here. So the anchor point, rather being on the base of the seat, it'll be up on the top of the seat there. And it's important that we have it on the top, because if it goes down to the base, the straps are going to fall down the side. So having it at the top, the straps are over the top of the seat, that's where the actual loading is. So if you're in the running of having a bus, or you've got a large family, guess what? We can add more anchorage points to your bus. I'm Sam, I hope this has been helpful, and we'll catch you on the next video.